Hi! Welcome to our Wiggle and Stretch channel. Let's move, play, and learn together.
Splash! Hello, ocean explorers. Today, we're becoming marine biologists for a deep sea discovery. Goggles on, let's go! For every 4 poses that you finish, I will come back and cheer for you with an underwater celebration. Ready? Get your fins moving, go!
Splash! Hello, ocean explorers. Welcome back to Profession Poses. Today, we are putting on our wetsuits and checking our gear for deep sea discovery. Flow with the fins. We're going to see if you have the balance, the strength, and the scientific curiosity to be a professional marine biologist. Before we dive into the big, beautiful blue, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a mission with our crew. Are your goggles on tight? Let's dive into our adventure. As marine biologists, we have to prepare our heavy gear before we leave the boat. Step 1 big foot forward and bend your knee deep, keeping your back legs strong like an anchor. Reach your arms way up to the sky, as if you're grabbing your scuba tank from a high shelf in the cabin. Reach even higher, stretching your fingers toward the sun. Feel your legs getting strong like the hull of a research ship. We're checking our goggles, our flippers, and our air levels one last time before we jump into the salty waves. Imagine the cool ocean breeze on your face as you get ready. Hold your gear steady. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gear check complete. We're ready. We're driving the research boat out to the coral reef. Keep your legs wide apart, turn your front toes forward, and bend that knee into a powerful stance. Stretch your arms out wide like the blue horizon and look right over your front hand with focus. Hold your arms out wide and steady, just like the giant steering wheel of our ship. Look out over the sparkling water. Do you see any dolphins jumping in the wake? Keep your body strong and balanced against the splashing waves. You are the captain of this science mission, and the crew is counting on you. Steady through the waves. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent steering. We've reached the reef. Ready? 3, 2, 1, splash! We are diving off the back of the boat and straight into the water. Stand on one leg, lean your chest forward just a little, and reach your arms back behind you like silver airplane wings. Lift your back foot off the ground and find your balance in the bubbles. Reach your arms back like fins and tilt forward into the deep. Imagine the tiny bubbles rushing past your ears as you sink deeper and deeper into the cool, quiet blue ocean. You are gliding perfectly and silently through the water to start your scientific research. Keep gliding deep. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We've officially reached the underwater world. We've drifted into the magical kelp forest. Marine biologists study these giant underwater plants to see who lives there. Stand on one leg and place the bottom of your other foot on your ankle or calf, keeping your body tall. Reach your arms up high and sway them gently, side to side, like long leaves in the current. Your body is a tall, strong piece of kelp, rooted firmly to the ocean floor. Sway your arms gently, feeling the water move around you. Look, tiny bright fish are hiding in your branches. Keep them safe and steady. Swaying in the current. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have great balance, Professor.
Wow! You completed the first 4 ocean challenges! You are a brilliant scientist! Keep that yoga power strong! Go!
Look over there. A hammerhead shark is swimming by, and we need to track his movement. Stand with your legs wide and perfectly straight. Reach one hand down toward your shin and lift the other hand straight up to the sky, opening your chest. Your arms are forming a giant tracking fin to pick up signals. Reach up high and keep your legs as straight as a scientist's ruler. We're taking photos and digital notes to see where the sharks go for their afternoon lunch. Stay very still and quiet so we don't scare our shark friend away. Tracking the fins. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing data collected. Down on the sandy floor, we found a little crab guarding a piece of colorful coral. Step your feet wide and turn your toes out. Then bend your knees deep into a squat. Bring your hands up near your shoulders and snap your fingers like little pinchers. Sink low into your legs and feel your strength. Crabs are like the janitors of the ocean. They keep the whole reef clean and healthy. Can you scuttle a little bit side to side without falling over? Watch out for those toes with your pinchers. You're a very busy crab today. Keep those pinchers moving. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, crab friend. A giant manta ray is gliding right next to us. Balance carefully on one leg and lean your body forward until you look like a capital letter T. Stretch your wings out wide to the sides. Imagine you are flying through the water, moving as smooth as silk through the currents. As marine biologists, we have to be very quiet and very graceful to swim alongside these gentle giants without disturbing them. Feel the water supporting your body as you glide through the deep blue. You are part of the ocean now, flying through the blue. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mission graceful accomplished. There's a mysterious rocky cave over there. Let's crouch down low and peek inside to see who's home. Squat down low with your feet wide and your elbows tucked inside your knees. Put your hands together and look around with big, curious eyes. Is there a camouflaged octopus hiding in the shadows? Use your eyes like a magnifying glass to find him. We have to be very patient and very still to see the creatures that like to hide. Stay low and steady while we wait for a tentacle to pop out. Watching the cave. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look, I see 8 arms. Great spotting.
Halfway through our dive, team. Only 4 more poses until we reach the deep sea. Let's go!
We're following an ancient sea turtle on his long journey across the world. Step 1 foot forward into a deep lunge and put both hands on the floor inside your foot, keeping your back leg long and strong. Keep your chest low to the ground and your back strong, just like a turtle's heavy shell. Imagine you are swimming thousands of miles across the deep sea, looking for some delicious green seagrass. You are strong, steady, and you never give up. Swimming with the turtles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now switch legs so the turtle doesn't get tired. Keep swimming. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're a natural. It's getting dark and cold, so we're hopping into our mini submarine. Kneel on the floor, stretch one leg out to the side, and reach your opposite arm way over your head, leaning toward your straight leg. Reach over as far as you can to close the heavy, round submarine hatch. This sub helps us go to the very bottom of the ocean, where it's pitch black and mysterious. Feel that big stretch in your side as you pull the heavy lever to dive even deeper into the abyss. What glowing fish will we find down here? Closing the hatch tight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Submarine locked and ready for the deep. Look out the submarine window. a bioluminescent jellyfish is glowing in the dark water. Stand up carefully and balance on one leg. Reach back and grab your foot. Then reach your other arm forward and tilt slightly. Reach forward and grab your long tentacle behind you. Imagine you are glowing bright neon pink or electric blue in the dark, deep water. You are floating and flickering like a magical light bulb under the sea. You are so beautiful and mysterious. Stay steady and keep glowing. Glow like a jelly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simply magical, scientist. The biggest animal in the entire world is resting nearby. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet on the floor. Lift your hips up high to make a strong bridge with your body. You are a giant blue whale, as big as 3 school buses. Hold your strong whale body steady while you take a big, deep blowhole breath. We're watching him rest peacefully before we head back to the surface for air. You are a powerful protector of all the creatures in the sea. Stay up high and strong. Strong as a whale. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whale-sized success. Incredible work today, marine biologists. We explored the coral reef, tracked hammerhead sharks, and even saw a magical glowing jellyfish. Come back to a comfortable seat on your mat. Take one last big, deep ocean breath in and let it out like the sound of a crashing wave. Whoosh! You should feel grounded, centered, and professional, just like a scientist who just saved the ocean. I'm so proud of your hard work. See you next time for our next profession adventure. Namaste, explorers.
Congratulations, Master Biologists! You finished all 12 deep-sea poses! Let's celebrate our victory! Great job!
Wow, we did it! What a great time! We learned so much with every pose and climb. We stretched so strong and flew up to the sky. Yoga power! Just like a pilot flying high. Yoga power! We can be anything, it's true. Yoga power! And you can do it too. Yoga power! We'll see you next time. Let's all cheer. Yoga power! And have more fun right here.